Good morning, y'all. Okay, so I have my organic chocolate protein powder, half a banana. I did 8 ounces of water, but today I added one of these. So I got the Chobani yogurts and I didn't like it, and then Will.i.am got these and we traded, and I tried these and I don't like this either. I just do not like Greek yogurt. It is like way too thick and whatever for me to eat. But I was like, let me not waste it, and I just blended it with my protein shake and it's fine. It actually makes this way thicker. You can make like a freaking milkshake with it or something. Anyway, today we have our bruschetta. This is from Sprouts. Cameron loves this. The little Sprouts sourdough. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, we also have eggs, and this is the only one that didn't crack open on me. Look at this one, and then this one. Whatever. So I wanted to do soft boiled, which obviously, look at this yolk on here even. It was exposed, obviously. So we're gonna crack this one and see if it's soft boiled or not. They're like super hot still. I tried to make soft boiled egg the other week, and it was overcooked. Well, the first one I took out was undercooked, so I reboiled them and then it was overcooked. The other week when I made that imitation crab seafood boil, I put eggs in there and those were perfectly soft boiled. Oh my gosh. Ooh, that did come out nicely though. I don't know, guys. Let's see. It's steamy. Oh. It's overcooked. Ooh. Look at it. It's maybe 1 minute less and it would have been to my liking. Anyway, whatever. This would do. And I can't believe the other one's not all the way messed up. And see the middle? A little bit less, it would have been good. Oh well. see what these ones look like. So we're not wasting. Oh, ooh, look at all that water. It's because the egg was cracked open, so all the water got in here. Yeah, this is like basically a hard-boiled egg. I'm gonna eat it so it doesn't get wasted, but it's not my favorite. I'm not gonna eat it. Okay, never mind. I don't like that at all. Look at this guy. Ooh. Okay, look. Even though the outside is, look at. Oh. I don't know, whatever. We'll try again another day. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.